Press the button. Understanding simple commands in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to decode a very common phrase you might come across in everyday life. Press the button. Understanding such simple commands can be very handy. Whether you're using a device, following instructions, or simply engaging in everyday conversations. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it. The phrase, press the button, might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. It's a command, instructing someone to take an action. Press here refers to pushing or applying pressure on something, while the button is usually a small part of a device designed to be pressed. Buttons can be found on all sorts of devices, from elevators and remote controls to sophisticated machinery. Let's break it down further. The verb, press, is central to the command. It's an action word, and understanding its usage is key. You can press a lot of things, not just buttons. For instance, you can press clothes to remove wrinkles, or press your hand against a window. In the context of our phrase, however, press specifically means to push something typically to make it work. Now, let's talk about the button. A button is a small part of a device. It's designed to be pressed or pushed to operate or interact with the device. Buttons can be physical, like on a keyboard, or virtual, like on a touchscreen. Recognizing a button is crucial because it's what you're being instructed to interact with in this phrase. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but knowing when and how to use it is another. Press the button can be used in various scenarios. 1. Instructions, when someone is guiding you on how to operate a device. 2. Requests, when you need someone to activate a device for you. 3. Emergencies, in urgent situations, like instructing someone to press an alarm button. And that's all about the phrase, press the button. We hope this video helps you understand not just the phrase itself, but also the importance of understanding simple commands in English. Remember, breaking down phrases into their components can make learning English much easier and more fun. Keep practicing, and you'll be pressing the right buttons in your English learning journey in no time. See you in the next video.